Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to switch off or power off your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First, long press this power button. If it's not working for switch off or power off your phone, then you can bring power off menu here. Okay, for that what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to advanced features, and go to side button, and look under press and hold. Here you have to select power off menu. Now long press this power off menu, power off button will appear. Click on power off option, and your phone will be switched off. Okay, this is first method. Then second method, go to notification area, swipe down twice, and here you will find a power off soft key. Just click on it and the power off option will appear. Now click on power off and then click on power off, and your phone will be switched off. So in these two method you can easily switch off or power off your phone. If power button is not working, if by default this power button will use Bixby. Okay, so if you want to quickly switch off your phone, use soft key. Okay, otherwise change this power off button to power off menu, then use power off menu by long pressing this power button. Okay, so in these two methods you can switch off or power off your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.